Hello, children. As we already did first chapter sentence, now you know what is a sentence. So today we'll see kinds of sentences. Okay. So there are four kinds of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and imperative sentences. So we'll see one by one and know about all these sentences. First one is assertive sentences. Now, what is an assertive sentence? A sentence which says something is called a statement or an assertive sentence. In this sentence, we get some information. We get to know something and it is a statement. It can be a positive statement or a negative statement. So, first we'll see, for example, that is a big tree. This is a positive statement. Next, that is not a big tree. This is a negative statement. Wherever there is not, no, it is a negative statement. So, what is an assertive sentence? A sentence which says something is called a statement or an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence can be positive or negative. Now, some of the sentences are given here. We will identify a positive statement and a negative statement, but we'll take the positive statement first. See the first one, the dog jumped over the fence. Here, no, not is not given. So, this is a positive statement. So, we'll put a tick. Second one, I get up very early in the morning. So, this is also a positive statement because no, not is not given here. So, this is a positive statement. So, we'll put a tick mark. Third one, there are no covers in the field. Now you can see here, no is given. So this is a negative statement. So we will not put a tick. We'll leave the box like that. Next one, butterfly sits on flowers. Here no, not, did not, does not, nothing is given. So this is a positive statement. See the next sentence, number 5. The public toilets are not clean. Here not is given. So this is a negative statement. So we'll leave this one. See the sixth one. Mother is very happy today. This is a positive statement. So we'll put a tick. Next one. People are not happy. Here not is there. So we see that it is a negative statement. We'll leave this one because we have to identify only the positive statements. The fan is not working. Here also not is given. So this is a negative statement. Number 9, children are sitting on the chairs. This is a positive statement because no, not is not here. So this is a positive statement. So we'll put a tick mark. 10th one, the girl has decided not to go to the highest peak. Here not is there, so this is negative. So we'll leave the sentence. Okay, we have to identify only positive. So in this, the first one is positive, the second one is positive, fourth, sixth, and ninth. So these are all positive statements. Now see the next one. Pick out 5 negative statements from the passage and write them below. Here a passage is given and we have to pick out the negative statements. Earlier we had identified positive. Now we have to pick out negative. Okay. So I am going to read the passage. You pay attention, children. I went to the hospital. The doctor was not there. The nurse did not give the medicines. She was waiting for the doctor. there were no medicines. The compounder could not find them. The patient was not happy. So, first sentence, I went to the hospital. This is a positive statement. Second one, the doctor was not there. So, this is the negative statement. So, we'll write in first line, the doctor was not there. Second one, the nurse did not give the medicines. Here, the nurse did not give the medicines. This is also negative. So, we'll write here. Next one, she was waiting for the doctor. This is positive. There were no medicines. This is negative. So here we'll write there were no medicines. Third one. Fourth one, the compounder could not find them. So this is also negative. So we'll write in number 4. The compounder could not find them. Next one, the patient was not happy. So here we will write on number 5, the patient was not happy. So the 5 negative statements, you have to write it down on these lines. Okay. Now we'll see what are interrogative sentences. A sentence that asks a question. Children, they ask many questions. How are you? Where are you going? What is your name? Where do you live? Okay. A sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark is called an interrogative sentence. Okay. So for example, how are you? This is a question and question mark is given there. So this is an interrogative sentence. Where are you going? Question mark. Is this your handbag? Does she go to school daily? Can you lend me your notebook? Are the children shouting? What is your name? So these are all interrogative sentences. Any sentence which asks a question and ends with a question mark is called an interrogative sentence. Okay. Now next, in this we will find out, write AS for an assertive sentence and IN for an interrogative sentence. So assertive sentence can be positive or negative. So you see, wherever there is not, that is also an assertive sentence. We'll write AS there. Don't get confused. Okay. Now, which is the first one? Which is your favorite flower? This is an interrogative sentence. So we'll write IN. Next, Sunday is a holiday. This is an assertive sentence. So we will write AS. Third one, birds are not chirping today. So this is AS, not. This is assertive sentence, it is negative. Why are you going out in the rain? So this is interrogative sentence, IN. The policeman has a gun. This is assertive sentence, so AS. The teacher is not happy today. This is negative assertive sentence, so we will write AS. Okay. Now, is it raining? This is question mark. Question mark is there, so this is interrogative. Who is your best friend? Interrogative. The peacock loves to dance in the rain. Assertive. Why are you crying? Interrogative. So I hope you have understood what is an assertive sentence, what is an interrogative sentence, what is positive statement, what is a negative statement. Now see this picture. Look at the picture and frame 5 sentences. You have to frame 5 sentences, any 5 sentences. You can say like, this is a picture of a park. The children are flying kites. The children are flying kite. There are beautiful flowers in the park. 2 butterflies are moving around the flowers. There is greenery everywhere. The children are very happy. The color of the kite is red and yellow. Okay, like this way you can frame the sentences. Okay, that's all for today, children. Okay. Revise this chapter nicely.